Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you my first entry into the card kit swap that I've been hosting. Sorry, I've been under the weather and still a little foggy brain, but so this entry comes from Therese, and let's just get into what she's got. So there's 5 people that have entered, and so I will be sharing with you 5 different kits as well as mine. Yeah, so here, this is what she sent. How fun! They're all you know, the same. And so how fun. Look at her little top here. She has her paper clip with the gingy and a snowflake. That is so adorable. And her sacks that she used to put her kit in. Oh, these are beautiful. That was a great way to enclose your kit. She does have her information here. She is TFriday77 on Instagram and YouTube. I will link her in my description box below so you can check her out. So Arizona, it's a hot state. It doesn't like glue too much, and these were at my P.O. box. I'm not sure. I'll put some of these back on. They're here in the bag. They were in with the shipment. They just have come a little loose. So I will fix those girls before I mail it out. But yeah, so let's see what she has inside. One of these is for me. Thank you so much. So like I said, she has the paper clip here. Let's save these in case they're for another package. And she did include all her information, her mailing information. Her favorite colors are pink, cream, and brown, and her favorite style is vintage, shabby, and grunge. And then here, look at this bag. It is great. So here is what she put it in, and you can reuse it now for a gift or anything. Thanks. Okay, so hers was a Christmas kit. Oh, fun. So she included her card base. She included some layering bases, which I'm just gonna take the liberty and assume they go like this. She is doing a video so that we can watch the video and assemble her card. So I will link, that's the link that I will put in my description box below. So cute. She included the peppermint spoon and a thing of marshmallow. Oh, that's so fun for everybody. And here's the gingy, and he comes with a bunch of embellishments. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. So I did order this gingy from Scrap Diva Designs. I'm waiting for it to come in. But yeah, so exciting. So stay tuned. I will be putting this card together in a future video. But thank you so much, Therese, for participating. And for more videos like these, see here. Until my next video, shakas.